10 Fascinating Facts About Whales. Introduction to whales. Whales are remarkable marine mammals known for their grandeur and critical role in the ocean ecosystem. Classified within the order Cetacea, they are a diverse group that includes over 80 different species. Whales are further divided into two primary categories: baleen whales, Mysticeti, and toothed whales, Odontoceti, each exhibiting unique characteristics and adaptations. Baleen whales possess baleen plates, which they use to filter food like krill and small fish from seawater, while toothed whales have teeth and are generally predatory, hunting larger prey like squid and fish. These majestic creatures are not only significant for their immense size and beauty, but also for their contributions to the marine environment. As apex predators, or filter feeders, whales play an essential role in maintaining the balance of marine food webs. Their feeding habits can influence the distribution of prey species, while their movements throughout the ocean serve to mix and distribute nutrients. Furthermore, whale excrement enriches the water, promoting productivity in phytoplankton, which is the foundation of the marine food chain. Beyond their ecological significance, whales have captured human imagination and culture throughout history. They are often featured in literature, mythology, and art, symbolizing strength and mystery. Additionally, the study of whales has led to significant advancements in marine biology, oceanography, and conservation efforts. The rise of whale watching has also established a crucial economic sector, emphasizing the importance of protecting these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Understanding whales and their significance is essential not only for their preservation, but also for maintaining the health of our oceans. This rich introduction serves to highlight the fascinating facts about whales that follow, showcasing their complexity and importance in both nature and human culture. The size of whales. The fascinating world of whales is significantly characterized by their extraordinary size. Among these majestic marine creatures, the blue whale stands out as the largest animal known to have ever existed on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing as much as 200 tons. This remarkable size not only captivates the imagination, but also provides insights into the adaptability and ecology of these magnificent beings. To understand the scale of whales, it is essential to compare the dimensions of various species. While the blue whale holds the title for length and weight, other species also exhibit impressive sizes. For instance, the gray whale can reach lengths of up to 49 feet and weigh approximately 40 tons. Meanwhile, the sperm whale, the largest toothed whale, can measure about 60 feet and weigh around 57 tons. Each species has adapted its size in relation to its feeding habits and habitat, demonstrating the intimate link between size and environmental conditions. The ramifications of whale size extend beyond their physical dimensions. Larger whales typically possess fewer natural predators and can migrate longer distances in search of food. Their significant body mass also allows them to maintain a stable core temperature in the cooler depths of the ocean. Furthermore, the large size of certain whales supports a unique form of feeding called filter feeding, particularly prominent in baleen whales, which use their enormous mouths to consume massive quantities of tiny organisms such as krill and plankton. In summary, the size of whales is not merely a fact of nature but serves as an essential aspect of their biological and behavioral characteristics. The diversity in the dimensions of various whale species highlights the incredible adaptability of these marine mammals in response to their ecological niches. Whale communication. Whales are renowned for their complex communication methods, utilizing a range of sounds, songs, and body language to interact with one another. This intricate system of communication serves various essential functions, including social interaction, navigation, and mating rituals across different whale species. A striking aspect of whale communication is the vocalizations produced, which can travel vast distances underwater, thus facilitating connection with others far away. One of the most captivating examples of whale communication is found in the songs of humpback whales. These whales create melodic sequences that can last up to 20 minutes and can be repeated for hours. Researchers believe these songs play a crucial role in attracting mates, as each male competes to demonstrate his vocal prowess. Interestingly, the songs can change over time, and it has been observed that entire populations of humpback whales can adopt new melodies. This phenomenon reflects the whale's ability to communicate in a dynamic social environment. In addition to vocalizations, whales also employ body language as a form of communication. Movements such as breaching, lobtailing, and fluke slapping serve not only to convey information, but also reinforce social bonds within pods. For example, mothers and calves communicate through specific gestures and sounds, enhancing their bond and ensuring the calve's safety. Furthermore, these interactions can signify dominance or submission, showcasing the complex social hierarchy within whale communities. In conclusion, the communication methods of whales illustrate their intelligence and adaptability. From the enchanting songs of humpback whales to the nuanced body language exhibited among peers, these interactions are vital for the social structure and survival of various whale species. Understanding how whales communicate strengthens our appreciation for these magnificent creatures and highlights the need for their conservation. Migration patterns. Whales are known for their extraordinary migration patterns, which are among the longest undertaken by any animal species. Certain species of whales, such as the gray whale, can migrate up to 12,000 miles round trip each year as they travel between feeding grounds in the Arctic and breeding areas in warmer waters off the coast of Mexico. The migration not only aids in their survival, but is also crucial for breeding and nurturing their young. The reasons behind these migrations are predominantly linked to the availability of food and the ideal conditions for giving birth. During feeding seasons, whales congregate in nutrient-rich waters where prey, such as krill and small fish, are plentiful. As temperatures drop and food sources diminish, whales embark on their epic journeys to warmer waters, where they can breed and give birth in safety. The ocean's currents and temperature changes play crucial roles in their migration routes, influencing when and where they travel. Navigation for these majestic creatures is a fascinating area of study. Whales utilize a variety of techniques to find their way across vast expanses of ocean. They rely on environmental cues, such as the Earth's magnetic field, water temperature, and even the position of the sun and stars, to maintain their course. Furthermore, they are thought to use their acute sense of hearing to communicate with one another and to interpret echoes from underwater features, which helps them navigate through the depths. Understanding the migration patterns of whales is critical, not only for their conservation, but also for the broader ecosystem, as these movements influence the distribution of marine life across their routes. As migratory species, whales play an essential role in the health of ocean habitats, making their study vital for ecological research and marine conservation efforts. Whales and their diet. Whales, magnificent marine mammals, exhibit a diverse range of dietary habits that are primarily influenced by their species. The two main categories of whales, baleen whales and toothed whales, demonstrate distinct feeding mechanisms that cater to their specific nutritional needs. Baleen whales, which include species such as the blue whale and humpback whale, primarily consume tiny organisms such as krill and plankton. They utilize a method known as filter feeding, where they take in large volumes of water and then push it out through their baleen plates, trapping food particles in the process. This method allows baleen whales to efficiently harvest vast amounts of food from the ocean, enabling them to sustain their large bodies.